Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Here's a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice and grapefruit juice just for you for visiting our channel. So in this video, we're going to show you two ways that you can make delicious and fresh orange juice and grapefruit juice in your kitchen. So you're going to cut the oranges along the center, so when you cut it up, it looks like this. If you cut it the other way, then it won't squeeze as easily. So you want to make sure that you cut it the right way. We're also going to cut some beautiful grapefruits. So you can make juice mixing both oranges and grapefruits together, and it makes it really nice. It's a great way of drinking and eating grapefruits without having the bitter and sour taste. So we're going to start by juicing the oranges first. We have this really old machine. It's about 20 years old and it still works great. I'll post a link where you can buy a similar machine like this. It's very cheap, not very expensive. They also have the modern ones that are very expensive, but this one works just as good as the new ones. So you just put the orange on and you press down and it does all the work for you. So this machine is also great for little kids. You can ask them to help you make this orange juice. They always have a lot of fun, and it shows them just how many oranges go into a cup of orange juice, and hopefully they will appreciate it and enjoy drinking it even more. So if you don't have that electric machine, you can also use this manual orange juicer or lemon squeezer. It's just a little bit longer to juice the oranges. It takes a lot of hard work, but it still works. It takes a long time and you still get delicious orange juice. You can find this, at dollar stores. It's very cheap. But I really recommend, if you can invest in an orange machine, orange juicer, it's going to last you a very long time and you're going to get delicious and healthy orange juice. So we hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. So we hope you have a nice day and see you next time with another delicious recipe.